Hello and welcome to Tipsy Tale. The drink we are making today is called Tiramisu Spiked Brew. To make this drink, we are using our beloved Old Monk along with Espresso shot. Now you can use any form of coffee, be that instant, be if you have a coffee machine, you can take one shot of espresso as well. And along with that, I'm using Tiramisu Syrup. Very easily available in the market. You get it by the brand name of Monin. You can get it at Amazon as well. So just procure it and we're all set to make this drink. So let's start with this drink. First, we are going to take our mixing tin and fill it with ice cubes. And then we are going to pour 45 ml of Old Monk. To this, we are going to add 30 ml of our coffee. And then, last but not the least, we're going to add our Tiramisu syrup to it. We're going to take approximately 25 ml of Tiramisu syrup and add it to this drink. And then, we're going to stir this drink nicely so that all the ingredients mix up together and also the drink gets nice and cold. Now we are going to take an old-fashioned glass and put a large, nice chunk of ice into it. And then we are going to strain our nicely stirred and chilled drink into our old-fashioned glass. And then we are going to garnish it with some dark chocolate. Here I have 85% dark chocolate by Lindt. So I'm taking 2 squares of it and I'm just going to put it on the glass rim like this. And there you have it, the Tiramisu Spiked Brew.